friends, how are you doing today? I hope you are doing great. Thank you so much for your support on my channel. I appreciate you. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Valerie, your practical decorator, helping you to make it home. We will be working on a quick and easy poof that you can put your legs up on when you're sitting back and relaxing. And yeah, you can do it in maybe an hour or so. Let's get started. On the table here, I have my decorative fabric, and I have another piece of fabric that I'm using to line the poof. Now, in a minute, I will tell you why I am lining it. But let's just go ahead and cut out the lining. The decorative fabric is already cut to the size I want it to be. I have a piece of square cardboard here that's 11 inches by 11 inches. Now, whatever size your cardboard is, that's how high your poof is going to be. So my poof is going to be 11 inches high. What I'm going to do with this cardboard now is place it in the corner. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my tailor's chalk to draw around the cardboard. And I'll do that in all four corners. Now, I should mention that you could actually just use your straight edge to measure off where your lines go, but it is like 100% easier just to get a piece of square cardboard. So I'll go ahead and I'll cut out the corners. I'm just going to stick a few pins in just to keep the lining and the decorative fabric together. I'm going to use my sewing machine and zigzag all the way around. Okay, so my next step is to take the corners, put them together just like so, and flat stitch. And I'll do all four corners. Now, to make the top panel, what I'm going to do is use the four pieces that it's basically it's 8 pieces because they're all lined. So I'm going to use them to make the top panel. Okay, so I stitched all the panels together, and then I did a saddle stitch just to keep the seams flat. So a saddle stitch is basically a top stitch. Okay, so I just realized that my camera was off. So let me just rewind a bit. I found the center of my cardboard on each side, and I lined my cardboard up to make sure that I had the center of my panel that I put together. Then I drew a 1/2 inch bigger on each side, connect my lines, and now I am cutting the panel out. So this panel will be just about an inch bigger than the cardboard. Now I'm gonna just zigzag right around my panel here. Now I am ready to apply the panel to the body of the poof. I'm just gonna go ahead and pin it in place, and then I'll stitch after. So when you're stitching around the corner, open the seam at the corner and it will be easier for you to stitch. So yeah, I have left a little opening here because now I have to turn the poof inside out and stuff it. So my hand fits through the hole. That's a good thing. Okay, so now I am going to use my needle and thread and just do a blind stitch here to finish it off. Just doing a loop just to make sure the knot doesn't come through the fabric. I just thought I'd point out to you the pattern I created on the top here. When I was joining the panels together, I cross-hatched the pattern. And so now we have these two going the same direction and these two going the same direction. And with the saddle stitch, which is basically a top stitch, it creates a little more interest. Well, thank you for spending the time with me, friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Will you try doing this quick and easy poof? And really, I mean, let me know what you think, because I always look forward to seeing that red dot at the top with the bell, just to see what you guys have to say and to get that engagement. Also, share with your family, your friends, and tell them also to share. I appreciate you. Yeah, and by the way, those thumbs up really count. They all go together to help the video to be put before more people, basically. So thank you guys so much for your support. Now it's at this time that I'm going to ask you to do me a favor if you have not yet subscribed, and hit that subscription button. And remember to turn on the bell notification icon so you will be notified of easy, manageable, doable projects like this and many more. Sending you lots of love and appreciation. I'll see you in the next video.